Hello, poppin' lash artist, y'all. What's up? How have y'all been? I know y'all been getting the lashes poppin', and I'm here for it. So today we're going to take a look at these pre-made fans. Now, y'all know I have a pre-made fan video that I did a long times ago, those days, but I'm back with another one, and these are 12D pre-made fans. This isn't really a tutorial, it's more so just a look and see. I was hanging out with my best friends, and one of them was like, let me record you doing lashes. And I was like, okay, bet, sis. So this is what we came up with. But yes, I love these pre-made fans. Let's get into a few of the specs. They are 12D, so they have 12 lashes across them. They're 0.5, really lightweight. But let's talk about the results. You get a really full volume set with a classic technique. How fun is that? And simple. If you want to see a tutorial of me using these lashes, like a specific, like, this is what I'm doing, this is how you use them tutorial, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, I'm so serious, y'all. I have 90.9% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So shout out to that 8.5%. Let me know who the real ones are in the comment. If you are subscribed, let me know so that way I can bless you somehow, some way, because I appreciate those people that take the time to hit the little bitty subscribe button and come back to watch my videos. I know y'all love it here, so subscribe. But I did not mean to get all riled up. Let's get back to these lashes. Like, using these pre-made fans, I really do love them because, like I said, you get a volume look and with a classic technique in a classic amount of time. So for somebody who's a beginner or only knows how to do a classic technique and can't really make their own volume fans yet, you really get to do that. And with hybrid sets as well, you can really do that with pre-made fans. And y'all see me with my tape. Y'all know I love a tape back. I have 2 videos on a tape back method, so if you have not already seen at least one of them, make sure you go check one of them out. But I'm just here for it. Like, how do y'all feel about pre-made fans? Some people feel like it's cheating and you need to know how to make real volume and you can't charge regular volume prices if you're using pre-made fans. And I say, who the fuck is gonna tell me what I can and can't charge, first of all? And second of all, your clients really don't know the difference. Like, if you, unless they're like legit lash wearers, okay, they're not gonna know the difference if you're using pre-made fans. But shout out to everybody that listened to me rant about these new pre-made fans that I love. And if you watch the entire video, I have something special for you in 3, 2, 1. Get these pre-made fan trays. Buy 2, get 1 free with code BFF. All you have to do is go to popstylelashes.com, put all 3 in your cart, and then use the code BFF to get one of them free. I would love to see y'all recreate this look. I mean, what else is there to it? And shout out to Elevated 10th Beauty on Instagram. She is always showing love with her pop style lash products, and she always DMs me if she has a question, posting pictures using the products, posting pictures of the products, and I fool with it. I really appreciate you, Ashley. So thank you for that. I know y'all want to be among the first to try the new pop style pre-made fans and easy fan lashes, so make sure your post notifications are on because once they launch tonight, you're not going to be able to get them until